Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roseanna. So in today's video, I'm going to Miami tomorrow morning and I figured let me do a vlog, I hope, a vlog for the week, and I want you guys to come along. So that is what we're going to be doing today. But before we get into that video, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. You could ring the bell. It will give you notifications of when I post. So yep, like, make comments, tell your friends, subscribe, help a newbie out. I would also appreciate your support. And thank you so much for helping me grow this channel. And now without further ado, let's get going. Good morning, you guys. It is 5:15. We are on our way to the airport, on our way to Miami to celebrate my niece's graduation from college. I can't even believe 4 years went so fast. So listen, I'm a little tired, but this is my usual wake up time for work, so it's just another day. 5:57. We made it to the airport. We're just going through security and just trying to get to the gate. We left through Terminal A at Newark Airport. I don't remember if I've ever flown through Terminal A. It is gorgeous. Okay, we made it to the gate. On our way to Miami. Wow, I'm all disheveled. This is how I like to go travel. I just have my skin moisturizer on. I actually just curled. My lashes don't have anything on it. I'm gonna just put some lip smacking stick, like some balm on, because I'm already parched. And yeah, so that's it. Now we just wait to board our flight to Miami. Okie dokes. My hair is like crazy, but we're all settled in. I am traveling obviously with my sister because my niece is graduating, and her mother-in-law, she's not disabled, but she's got ailments and she's in her mid-80s, late 80s. So I like to, when I travel with them, I like to take care of her. So we get to board first, so that's good. Oops, sorry. That's okay. And okay, so that's it. Good morning. So as soon as we got to the hotel, we were starving, so we just grabbed some salads for lunch. This is our view from the rooftop pool. Beautiful, look at that, gorgeous. We stayed at Mr. C's Miami in Coconut Grove. Look at this room, it is so beautiful. It was just a beautiful time, and the place, they can't bend over backwards enough for you. They're so gracious. Yep, living my best life. I am so grateful for this weather coming from New Jersey, and it's been so stinking cold. I was enjoying every single moment. Look at those cutie patooties over there. Boy, this made me miss Bachelou so badly, but it was so freaking hot. Look at that poor little dog picking up his paws. Ooh, so hot. My niece wanted us to go clubbing with her, so we got stamped for a club called 11 in downtown Miami. We started off at a rooftop bar, no clue where we were. But look at this view, how gorgeous. It is so beautiful at night. took some bus called a Fetty, which was super fun. And we finally did make it to 11. Let's just say we did it way better back in our day. That's all I'm saying. And look at this time. We were supposed to be in by like midnight. That never happened. Okay, listen, like this is day 2. It's, what time is it? Like 10:30. Completely forgot to video our dinner last night. We did go out, didn't get until 2 in the morning. Just want to share with you that I got up at 4. So I was almost up 24 hours, and you could tell, no, I did not drink last night, but I am dog-ass tired. So now we're on our way for a walk. It's, what, 10:30 in the morning, and it's already 83 degrees, 85, but it feels like 88. So we're on our way to the marina, and I will take you along. Man, this is the life. My beautiful niece Isabel. We finally made it to graduation. There's the graduate Julia. Congratulations. It was very beautiful, very emotional. I can't believe 4 years went so fast. We went to Sonny's Steakhouse in Miami. It was so beautiful. It's an absolute must. It had like this Havana-esque kind of vibe to it. The music was great. The people were great. The food exceptional. Some more well-deserved R&R. Okay guys, this is our last day here. It is hot as blazes. Actually, it's been a beautiful weekend, but it is hot as hell. This is our view. There's the bay. But it is hot as hell. And I'm gonna miss it, but I'll probably go tomorrow. But I just want to tell you that now I know why people go to Florida for the winter. It is so gorgeous. It's about like 55 degrees at home, rainy. I mean, I'll take 55, 60 degrees at home, but this is so beautiful. It's been in the high. Today's like almost 90 here. Yeah, so that is it. We have dinner reservations tonight. Tomorrow is Mother's Day. I know by the time this video goes up, it will be over. So I want to wish everybody a belated Mother's Day. Yeah, so we're leaving tomorrow, and Monday back to work. So I will take you along with me for the end of the trip, and I'll see you later.
Spanish, English, or English. If you're
Darn,
going
it's
with
the
a large
end.
rollerboard, please utilize any of the open.
Once I got home from Mother's Day, the girls made a beautiful Mother's Day meal with this kale and cucumber salad, lobster pasta, and this delicious garlic bread. Thank you, ladies. The meal was wonderful. Okay, guys, so that is it. That was my vlog. I wanted to film more, but girl, to be honest, I forgot. I really forgot. So it was a beautiful Mother's Day. Happy belated by the time this video goes up. And yeah, I had breakfast in Miami and I had dinner in New Jersey. It was the best Mother's Day ever. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for sharing your time with me. And as always, you guys be good to each other, love each other, and have a great, great day. Bye.